The rib is married to Esau. Guess what? She's not the only one. There's another rib on YouTube. Another rib on YouTube. She know the Hebrew and everything. Married to Esau, got 3 children.
What's the name of that?
I forgot. It was this. I saw both of them last year, and I didn't respond. I didn't say nothing to neither one of them ribs because I would have went in, brother, and it wouldn't have been good.
Everybody probably did it.
Everybody probably did it. She said that. She said it on her wall. I know all y'all keep cursing me out, sending me scriptures. Y'all saying why I'm married to a white man. I'll explain it to y'all. She said she told brothers and sisters, I'll explain it to y'all. There's no explanation.
That's right.
Right, read it again, brother. Deuteronomy 7:3. Right here, like Eve right here, cheesing and smiling. Yeah. And she got her damn gray head Edomite at that. Old ass Edomite. Right, she couldn't be more happy. She got a big Kool-Aid smile, boy. Last party still drink Kool-Aid. Right. My God, brother, read. Hold on, Sharon. Read.
Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 3.
When I saw that, I said, it's a wrap. It's done.
That's not good.
It's done, brother. Read.
Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 3.
Come on.
Neither shall thou make marriages with them.
The Lord said, neither shall we make marriages with them. Come on.
Thy daughter thou shalt not give unto his son.
Now let me say this. There were times, there were exceptions when the Lord allowed Israelite men, or maybe even Israelite women, to deal with heathens. But those were isolated situations. Overall, the law still applies. Because the Lord said in Romans 9, he have mercy on whom he will have mercy and compassion on whom. So if he allowed it with Moses and certain men, that was for that time. Or he showed mercy then. But across the board, the law still stands. Good.
Neither shall thou make marriages with them.
You see what the heathen women did to Solomon?
Yeah.
That man got all weak and bent down with them and then start worshiping their gods. Good.
Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 3.
Come on.
Neither shall thou make marriages with them.
So it's a law in the